Hi everyone. Now I'm here in Libertad. So yeah, I'm trying to find the foreigners that he wanna go back to Thailand, and now finally we are here. Look at the situation. This is the reason why I need to help him. Look, yeah. So Tatay,
He's from French.
yeah. I really wanna know what is the real situation, and yeah, I need the full details. So I need to go to immigration, check what happened, if he has case, or just overstaying. If just he just overstaying here, so I can fix his paper, I can buy the ticket to going back to Thailand.
I want to fly. I want to fly.
So guys, we are here now, and we need to buy this. We need to buy this one antibiotic for him because he have something at the back. Yeah, so yeah, we will help him. We will do what we can. So yeah, I will buy this for you, okay? I'm going to pharmacy and you
They
need to
don't
drink.
have.
They have this one. I will buy. I will buy to pharmacy.
Which one?
This one, amoxicillin. This is antibiotic.
They don't have in Philippines.
This one, mepenamic.
This one I have. Little bit.
This one, mepenamic. This one. This is for the pain.
Cetirizine I have.
Yeah,
Little
but
bit.
this one,
Paracetamol I have.
this one you don't have.
This one we don't have.
This one, this.
Erythromycin they don't have.
Okay. So guys, we'll go into Mercury to find this medicine.
And
Let's go.
Timolol. They don't have.
Okay. So guys, now we are here in Mercury buying his medicine because he have something at the back and really painful, and he have the infection. So he need to drink all of this medicine for him. So he went to hospital already, and yeah. So I will buy this for him. It's worth of 1,600. All of that one. So he need to drink to be fine. Oh my God. You're so sick, Pascal.
Uy, Pasal.
Kailangan niya nang uminom to ng gamot. You good?
Pasal.
Lobo na siya, B. Makati yung lalamunan niya.
Pasal. It's not mine. No,
We will buy for you. You want slipper? I'll buy for you. We change your slipper for new one. You good? Okay. This is your medicine. This is the medicine. Okay? You told me we don't have, but I
I
bought
want
for
to
you.
fly. I want to fly.
Okay. Later we will fly together. Okay? Oh, this is your medicine. Wait, ano ito mo antibiotic ha? Ha? Oh, I put it here all. All of this is your medicine now. Aray ko.
Isa mo na kasi gato yung ano mo. Ay! Don't touch my food.
Don't touch my foot kasi. Ba't kasi you touch his foot?
Yeah, mo.
Eh, bigyan ko lang ng idea magkano.
Sino-check up mo ba yan?
Oh, eto, itabi mo muna to for sa ano niya ha. Sa ano niya. Sa mga needs niya.
Okay.
Eto, para magkaroon ng
pera
lakas.
pa yan.
May pera pa?
Bayaran na natin ito.
Magkano ba yan?
200 lang yan.
Oh, 200. See, I buy for you that one, okay? Oh, pera mo
May
na.
pera pa yan. Ibigay ko sa kanya.
Ilan?
Nasa 2,800 pa yun.
2008?
Oh,
Dami na.
2,800. Oh,
Basta yung ano ha, yung nandun yung mga medicine niya. Kaso kailangan ko yung ano niya, B.
yung
May picture ka ng passport niya.
meron.
Pahingi ako ha. Parang di na siya mag-open. Di ka siya, B.
Hindi kasi yan. $1 yan. Kasi
After coordinating to the person who take care of Pascal, I'm just waiting the passport. So I will have the copy of passport and I can proceed to process his document and check his status in immigration. Actually, guys, Pascal's situation is not really easy. He's sick, they abandon him and he's waiting for nothing. Hey everyone, today I'm going to visit Tatay Pascal and I buy him new clothes. As you can see guys, I buy him a new jogger and boxer because he doesn't have boxer anymore. And of course, new clothes because all his clothes is broken and most of the clothes is dirty. So I buy him new clothes and I'm going to buy his food, fruits, and water again. And today, guys, I will know the real situation about Tatay Pascal if we can help him or the embassy. They are the one manage everything what he need to going fly to his country or in Thailand. But I don't know, guys, because today I'm going there and yeah, so I will let you know, guys, that the hospital is not allowed uh, to take a video and take a photo there. So that's why I cannot give you any any situation about him, but I can just take a photo that he is fine. He is fine because I talked to the securities, the nurse, and the staff there that they can take care Tatay Pascal while we still waiting the processing or we still waiting about the embassy. So guys, thank you for watching and thank you for caring about Tatay Pascal. Hopefully this video his family can watch. At least they know what's happening. So yes, I'm gonna update you later, guys. Thank you. Before we proceed to hospital, we bought a lot of Jollibee to give for any patient in hospital. After buying Jollibee, we bought also fruits for them. So at least they can eat fruits and they will have energy. By the way, guys, this how treat homeless foreigner here as well that we can buy a lot of food for them. We always complete and now let's go to Pasco. So guys, today I'm here in hospital and I'm buying those all of Jollibee and yeah. So I give food for Pascal, fruits and clothes and of course there is another foreigner here and they are here no food. That's why I buy a lot of foods and give it to them. But take note guys, there's no camera inside the hospital. It's not allowed. Yeah, I'm fixing your paper, okay? I wait the embassy, I fix paper and then you have number I will call you, okay?
No, 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 I don't. I cannot stay here anymore. Fighting. No, 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 no. And look, my wound. I cannot stay here anymore. You drive me somewhere. You give me money for go back airport. Okay, I go back. Yes, but I know you. You never come back.
I will come back. I'm just upstairs. I'll fix it.
Okay. And after I go airport.
This is your clothes, ha? Be careful. This is new clothes. I buy for you. You have boxes. Briefs. You have, okay?
For it?
Huh?
Is it for it?
No, this is for clothes. Clothes.
Ah.
Okay? Boxer. Even the boxer. Boxer brief. Oh, for it.
Thank you.
This is your food. You need to eat. And I buy your food. Okay?
But you come back, huh?
I'm just there upstairs. Okay?
Thank you.
You want me to put your things there? In your bag? What is smile? Yay, you smile na. You're so smile na. Okay, pasok na, okay?
I have to take shower first. Yeah, I know, but I have to take shower.
You take a shower there, okay?
No shower. Broken.
So, I put this there now, okay? Here, I put there, okay?
But don't forget me, huh?
Okay, okay.
See, if tonight I stay here, I kick this man. They're very bad people. Very bad people. You see what they do? They don't do nothing.
Stay tuned. We will upload the part 2. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep sharing this video. This how we help homeless foreigner here in Philippines. So Pascal, he is the first homeless foreigner that we help this year. And there is more.